Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Rita. Today I am preparing a delicious and savory pot roast. This is one you're not gonna want to miss. If you enjoy these types of videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the bell notification so that you will not miss out on any of my delicious videos. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. What you see on my cutting pad is a 1.5 pound beef chuck roast. This roast will probably get about 4 servings. I'm seasoning with adobo black pepper on both sides as well as my delicious Slap Your Mama seasoning. If you do not know what Slap Your Mama seasoning is, it is a blend of all types of spices. It's delicious. If you can't find it in your local grocery store, you can find it on Amazon.com, and I'll leave the link below in the description box. Okay, so what I'm going to be preparing this roast in is the InstaPot. And again, y'all, this is an essential. So if you do not have one, I'm going to need you to hit the pause button right now on this video. Run down to Walmart, Costco, Sam's, go on Amazon.com, wherever you need to go. I'm going to need you to grab one of these. You need this in your life and in your kitchen. Now, the base of what I'm going to be cooking my pot roast in are the McCormick seasonings, hearty beef stew, as well as the savory pot roast. I mix these two together to form the marinade, so that's what I'm going to cook it in. And I have brown gravy because I use a little bit of that for coloring. Now, I went ahead and floured my pot roast. I'm flouring it because I need that to form the thickness of my gravy. So I coated it with flour and I'm frying it in olive oil, the frying olive oil. Now, I'm not cooking it fully. I'm only browning it on both sides. Again, because I need that layer to form the thickness of the roast. All right, meat is out of the pan inside the pressure cooker along with the sauce and the gravy that I mixed together. I've added onions and carrots into the mixture. Now I'm going to seal it up and let it cook. All right, so jumping fast forward, it's done cooking. I'm letting the steam out of the pressure cooker. And you guys, when you see what's next, it's ready. That's it. I cooked this on a high pressure for 1.5 hours. I cook everything on 1.5 hours. You don't have to do this part if you don't want to, but just for my sanity, and a lot of times I get distracted. So 1.5 hours is usually my norm of how I prepare my food. Now that it's ready, I'm going to pull it out and show you what it looks like. All right, so I'm serving the pot roast with mashed potatoes, a little garlicky mashed potatoes, and I am adding it on. Doesn't this look scrumptious? I love pot roast. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And I'm adding on a little bit of gravy on the top. Ugh, the deliciousness. And that is it, you guys. I am having mashed potatoes with savory pot roast. This is the finished product. And again, guys, if you like these types of videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you lovely people in the next video.